In this video, I'll show you how to swap tokens inside Metamask. First, open the Metamask app or browser extension and sign into your wallet. Make sure you have enough of the network's native token, like ETH or BNB, to pay for transaction fees. Now, click or tap the swap button from the main wallet screen. Metamask will open the swap interface where you can choose the tokens you want to exchange. Next, select the token you want to swap from and choose the token you want to receive. Enter the amount you want to exchange, and Metamask will show you the estimated amount you'll receive. After that, review the swap details carefully. Check the exchange rate, network fee, and price impact before continuing. If everything looks correct, click or tap Review Swap. Now, Metamask will search for the best available swap route. Once the quote appears, confirm the transaction and approve it in your wallet. Finally, wait for the swap to be completed on the blockchain. The new token balance should appear in your Metamask wallet after the transaction is confirmed. If you don't see the token, you may need to import it manually. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to swap tokens inside Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.